Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to put AdSense in your Shopify store. Now go ahead and log into your Google AdSense account, and then from the ads section, go ahead and tap on buy ad unit. You have here different types of ads. Go ahead and click display ads, and this is how it's going to look like. You have different options here. So the ad size that we're going to choose is the responsive. So whether the person is using a phone or a computer, it'll respond to their screen. Now we're going to name it Shopify 1. And then we're going to go ahead and create this example ad. Just simply tap on create. Now once created, an HTML code you have to copy will appear. Click done. Now go to your Shopify store, and in the online store section in the admin panel, go ahead and click themes, then tap the button customize. From there you can see the option ads section from the template, and then we're going to look for custom liquid, and you're going to see a space where you have to paste the code you've copied from AdSense there. Control V there, and then just gonna have to move it on which place you want it to place. I'm gonna place it under, and once everything is set, go ahead and tap save. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.